Hey guys, Stefan Fischer here from AllOffroad. Today I wanted to share with you guys a tool roll. It's called the Yorktown tool roll and it's following me for probably nearly a year on social media. I saw it on Facebook, I saw it on YouTube, and I always wondered whether that's actually a genuine good product or just one of these cheap overseas things which you get all the time. The guys from A24/7, which is a four-wheel drive related online store which only sells high quality gear, was kind enough to provide me with one of these Yorktown rolls. Atlas 46 is designed and developed in the USA by John Carver, who oversaw the daily operation of a company that was a world leader in production of top quality equipment for military, homeland security and law enforcement. All the Atlas 46 gear comes with a lifetime warranty. This is already my packed roll, but let's go a bit back in time and I show you how I packed that roll and what all fitted in there. It. By the way, you also have hooks here, so if you have the facilities you can hang that up. Which is quite handy in the bush if you don't want to have your tools on the floor. The material is 1000D Cordura, so very strong material that's not gonna fail in a hurry. Yeah, wow, I'm very impressed how much you can fit into the Yorktown roll. So my whole Barco set, a lot of the stuff from these, all in that small roll. I don't think I saved too much weight. The aluminium box and the Barco box are not that heavy, but I certainly saved quite a bit of space. And much easier, obviously, to carry. So again, you just roll it together. Need to practice that a bit more. So that's it. Grip here, ready to go. It's advisable if you put a socket set in that you purchase some socket holders. One tip is measure before, because the most socket holders I found were too long, so they don't really fit in here. So you either have to cut them down, but that doesn't work really with every holder, or I found these shorter holders here, which work very well. For full transparency, I received the Yorktown roll for free from A24/7. However, I looked into this roll for the past 6 months. I researched it and then I contacted A24/7 and they provided me this roll for free under the only condition that if I don't like it, I send it back to them and otherwise give my honest feedback about the roll. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown what the Yorktown roll now replaces for me. So previously I had this box which the tools would rattle a bit in. The majority of that is now in the Yorktown roll. And then I have the Barco box which I would have to store somewhere else. Pretty much that is all now replaced by this. And because it's all wrapped up very tight, it also does not rattle whatsoever. Absolutely brilliant. So what's my verdict? I really like it and I'm kicking myself that I didn't get one earlier, because really so much easier to carry. The space savings are great. It's not the cheapest. The roll, I think it's from around 140 onwards. There are quite a few different rolls as well, bigger ones up to over 200. However, I found that it pays to pay for good gear. And that is certainly something I would shell my money out for and purchase. I really like it. And I think, yeah, as a tool roll, I have not come across a better solution. It is very thought through. It's made in America, it has a lifetime warranty, it is an absolutely great concept, and I commend the designer who designed it because it is really, really thought through. You can purchase the roll in Australia through A247. Check out their website. They have a big array of high quality four-wheel drive gear, and quite a few things they actually sell I already have in my vehicle, so well worth to have a look. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and if you haven't done so, please do me a favor, subscribe, like, leave me a comment, and help me to make more videos like this.